If you want older woman to do anything to you, make sure you watch this video. And this is the shocking fact about the older woman. For those men who really need to having them. For those men who want to dating them or to spend the rest of their life with the older woman, this video is super helpful video ever. If you're just new member to this channel, my name is Missy Flora, and this is our love talk with Flora. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, down below to the red button, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning member to this channel, thank you so much, my king, my gentleman, for always passing by. Like this video and share this video to everyone out there and telling them, if you want an older woman to do anything to you, you must do the things to her in the USA. So let's diving in today's video. First, I want to ask you, do you really want an older woman? If you really want an older woman, you don't need to run around the bush. There is some small trick you can use, and this will really giving you amazing result ever. Number one, make sure that you show intention to her. What is exactly your real intention towards her? Do you really want her? Do you really liking her, or you just needing her only to knocking her? Just being real, being you, and that older woman will accepting it. So don't forget that you don't need to run around the bush, but I need to make sure that you are very, very careful to show your intention to the older woman, because sometimes when you show the intention to the older woman, you will end up get some slap, or they will taking it as disrespect. So you need to know that if you see an older woman, she is interesting towards you, then you can show your real intention. Don't forget that. Number two, I want you just to complimenting her. I know all women will really need compliment. When I'm talking about the compliment, every man knows about this one. Telling a woman you're looking so good, you're looking so sweet, you are wonderful, you're having a nice lips, or you're having a nice skin ever. I like you when you don't have any makeup. And that older woman will take it and will like you so much. Not only about that, make sure that you compliment about her age. Telling her she is not looking older than her, the way she is. She just looking like a 25, 30, sometimes even 15 if it is possible. So you can compliment, and those compliments should be the good compliment. And trust me, that older woman will give you anything, even the ATM card. Don't forget that. That is number two. I want every man who really want older woman, who really love to have an older woman to their entire life, make sure that you compliment her. Factor number three, we're all talking about express yourself. I know that a lot of men, they fail to express themselves. Maybe just because they are shy, just because they are feeling like that other woman will not accepting it. They feel so many criticize about themselves. But let me tell you, you need to express yourself. Express yourself on how you feel towards her. Just keep expressing yourself. You don't need to feeling any shy. It doesn't matter how long it will take, but you already show your expression towards her. Then after that, you will see how it's going from there. But make sure that before you expressing yourself to an older woman, you need to be very, very careful. If she really having any intention towards you, if she really liking you, and when you are sure express towards her, when you express yourself, is she smiling, is she talking anything, and that's when you caught something from her, then you can go from there. That is number three. Every man should understand it. Number four, I'm talking about respect. Every older woman, they really need respecting from the man, especially if you're respecting her so much. If you taking her like the way she is, she will really liking you, and she will really loving you all the time. She wants you to be on her side because you're really respecting her. So show respect as much as you can, and that respect will bring you to the next level. And the next level which I talk about today, we are talking about the next level in the bedroom. So don't forget that to show respect to an older woman. Number four, we are talking about you need to make sure that you are accepting everything which she really said. You know that. And all the women, they always used to act like our mother. They always used to acting like they are granny. So they want to make sure that they're telling you, go do this, bring that one, do that one. And they really want somebody who they can uh, asking them to do all those things around. And if you are real, that kind of man, you really want to having an older woman, used to accepting it, used to take it as a normal things, and that things will really giving you the amazing result, because she will really loving you and she will really liking you, because you used to accepting her, never say no to anything which she say, and never even criticize to anything. So make sure that you're accepting it. That is number 4. Number 5, we are talking about make sure that you taking her as a baby. I know that she is older enough than your age, but don't taking her as your mother, taking her as a baby. When you're taking her as a baby, she will really looking exactly more than a baby, because try to taking her like, are you eating? Can I give you this? Can I give you that one? Can I bring you flour? Something which you can taking her, bring her back to her young age, and she will really appreciate that, and she will really loving it a lot. So don't forget to giving it, and she will loving it. Don't forget that. Number 6, we are talking about you need to make sure that you listen to her, to anything which she say. I know that you want to criticize her. I know that you have your own opinion. I know that you have your own right to say what you're having on your mind. But make sure that you're reading her mind first before you are showing or you are saying your opinion. If she say anything, just listen to her. At the end of the time, when she asking you about your opinion, then try to be on her side. Don't be on another side. Try to be on her side just to make sure that she know that you are with her, and this will making her just to feel very safe, comfortable towards you, and she'll be ready to share with you everything which she has inside, including an ATM card, all her things which she has in, and even give you anything which you want. So you need to understand that, and she'll be very, very happy. Number 7, we are talking about make sure that you are used to smiling to her all the time. I know some men, they used to be very angry. I know some men, they are kind of the men which they used to be very upset for small things. But into that older woman, you don't need to be very upset, because when you be upset, you'll be end up being more upset. So you need to make sure that you smiling for anything. If she do something which is not good to you, then you try to expressing it while you smiling it. Like it's not so serious, it's like a joke, and that other woman will notice that you don't like it, but still you appreciate what she did. So you need to understand that. Not only about that, smiling all the time when you are in the bedroom, when you're outside, when you're meeting her, or when you're having lunch with her, when you're having breakfast with her, all the time smiling. Show your teeth if in case you have it. If you don't have your teeth, then you can even show your face, which is smiling, and the older woman would take it like appreciate. So you need to know that, and in order to get that older woman. That is number 7. Number 8, we are talking about make sure that you give her the best. I know that you don't have anything. I know that you are fighting for your life. You are fighting to have some things, but you need to make sure that you give her the best. If you're getting some small money, go buy some flour and give it to her. If you're getting a sweet, a candle, sometimes even a chocolate, buy it and go and give it to her, and she will really love it, and she will really feel that you are the one among hundreds of the men. So make sure that you give her the best. After you already getting an older woman, you don't need to end up there. Make sure that you participating very well. When I'm talking about participation, I'm talking about to participate in the bedroom. Give her the best for her entire life, which she never get it before. Not only about that, you need to know how you can prepare her so well and make that she real screaming for more. Don't forget that. And then after you are done, make sure that when you do everything, she will need to be remembering you and never having low performance, because we're real embarrassing you. So you need to make sure that if you're having a problem of low performance, or you're having a problem of maintaining, make sure that you are cure yourself with a different things in order to you just to make sure that you getting what you really want. If you want to make sure that other woman loving you, being with you forever, and spend the rest of her life with you, make sure this is small things. You need to do it the right way, and an older woman will loving you forever. So let me know to my comment section down below. Have you ever want an older woman? What exactly happened? And if in case you really want an older woman, what is your intention towards an older woman? If you are real intention to spend the rest of your life with her, let me know to my comment section down below and telling me. And don't cut me wrong, my king. Sometimes you can giving an older woman all those tips which I've mentioned to you right now, and still you will end up disappointed, and you will end up getting very upset. So you need to know that sometimes things are not working the way we really want. So take it and use this tip, and it will really help you. My name is Missy Flora, and this is our Love Talk with Flora. Down below to the red button, consider subscribe. If you are a returning member to this channel, thank you, my king, for always passing by. Like this video and share this video to some gentlemen out there, some king out there, and telling them these are the shocking psychological facts about an older woman. If you wanting her, trust me, she will give you anything if you take these tips very seriously. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a super thanks if in case you can. Bye bye.